Hello there, welcome to Creators app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own course. So if you go into creators.instinctup.com, you should be seeing the same landing page that I'm seeing right now. So you have two options here. You have two call to action buttons here. The first one is the get started button and also the login button. If you already have an account with instinctup.com, the option you want to go with is the login button. But for the purpose of this lesson, I'm going to start using the get started button. So if you click on the get started button, you should be landing on this page where you can insert your details. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using Tech Solution as the username, Tech Solution as my username, and also I'm going to be using a valid email address here. I already have a test email here that I can use for this tutorial, which is markingthesignature@gmail.com. I'm using a valid email because I will need this email for me to be able to verify my account and to actually know that the person creating this account has a valid email account. So I'm going to insert my first name here, which is Sadiq, and also my last name here, which is Markinde. Okay, I'm going to insert my phone number. You can add any phone number here, either you are out of the country or in Nigeria. Alright, so I can add my date of birth here. I can add the date of birth, which is 1812. You can add anything here. I'm just going to add 2005 here. Now also I'm going to choose a password that I want to use for this. I'm just going to go with a random password. Always make sure your password contains at least a number. So I'm just going to type the same thing inside of here too. Alright, so I'm going to click on sign up. After clicking on the sign up button, you are going to be prompted to this page to verify your email. Like I said earlier, the email that I was using is markingthesignature@gmail.com. All I need to do is to go into the inbox of this Gmail and get the OTP that was sent to the mail. As you can see, the first email here is from InstinctUp, and then this is the OTP that is required for me to be able to verify my account. So if I copy this now and I take it back to the Creators app, if I paste the number here, I can verify the account. But if there's a case whereby you didn't get this email, you didn't get the email and you didn't get this OTP, you can request for another OTP by clicking on this button here to resend your OTP. Now all I need to do is to use the verify account because I got mine, and then that's what I'm going to use. Now after clicking on the verify account, you are going to be landing on this page, on this login page, where you can insert your username, which is your username or your email. In this video now, I'm just going to be using my email. Okay, so I already have my password and also I have my username, so I'm just going to use the login button. Now after clicking on login, I'm going to get in this page, which is the same page that you're going to get if you already have an account with instinctup.com. The next page you're going to get is to create a channel. Now I want to create my own channel. You can call your channel whatever name you want, and always make sure that the first username that you're using here is in lowercase. So I'm going to be calling this channel Tech Solution. Alright, I'm going to have the full name, which is Tech Solution here. You can write this anyhow you want it. This is Tech Solution, which is the name of the channel. Also, you can use the same email or you can use a different email for your channel. For the purpose of this lesson, I'm just going to be sticking with the same email that I've used. So that is marking signature@gmail.com. Now this is asking me for my company size. I can choose 1 to 10, and if your company is more than 1 to 10, you can choose whatever option that you have here. So because it's still a small business, I can just use 1 to 10. Now I need to choose the industry that my channel belongs to. If it's an NGO, you can choose that. If it's IT, you can choose that. And if it is art and design, you can also choose that. But I have a sense that I'm going to create something around information technology. So I'm going to go with that. You can just give us a brief introduction about your channel. What's this channel about? This channel is about giving solutions about web development. You can add that here. Giving solution about web development. And lastly, I will need to create the channel by using the last button here. Upon clicking the create channel, I'm going to be prompted to this pricing page where I need to make payments for either yearly or by monthly. So because this is just a test for now, I can just skip this and then go into the next thing. Now I should be landing on this dashboard. This is the dashboard that you are going to be using to monitor your students. As we already said, this is a creators app whereby you can track whatever that is going on the front end, how your students are doing, the courses they've taken, the tracks they've completed, how many cohorts that you have. That is what we are going to be doing on this dashboard. And the next video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can create your own course, how you can also create your own tracks. Then we are going to be diving into other aspects of the app.